Welcome to Quick Fix, the show where I answer your most commonly asked tech questions in 90 seconds or less. Today, we're talking all about spatial audio. Apple's pricey new headphones, the AirPods Max, have a slew of cool features, including one that has perplexed some users. It's called spatial audio, but what is it, and how do you use it? What Apple calls spatial audio is actually surround sound for headphones. It's supposed to make it sound like audio is happening all around you from every different direction. To turn on spatial audio, open Settings and then tap on Bluetooth. Search for AirPods Max or AirPods Pro in your list of Bluetooth devices. Tap the info button next to the device name and then toggle on spatial audio. But turning it on isn't the issue. It's finding content to watch that uses spatial audio that's the tough part. Spatial audio isn't available on every streaming service you watch. In fact, it's so new that it's not even supported by every Apple device. You can use AirPods Max or AirPods Pro with an iPhone 7 or later, or a newer iPad. Here's a list of those specific models. On your supported Apple device, open a streaming service like Apple TV Plus or Disney Plus and find something to watch. If the movie's notes list that it supports Dolby Atmos or 5.1 channel or 7.1 channel surround sound, then you'll be able to take advantage of spatial audio. Netflix is still notably missing from the list of streaming services that support spatial audio, but fingers crossed that changes soon.